it's Sierra with WTI, and I would love to have the honor to introduce you to what keeps my skin feeling fresh and beautiful and pore-free. It is this Real Nature mask sheet in royal jelly. It smells so clean and it's super simple to apply. You open up this packet and take out the sheet mask. What I love about this sheet mask is you can literally see how much product is on the sheet itself. It's all this collagen, cellulose. It improves wrinkle lines and cleans pores. I smooth it out all over my face and then wait 10 to 20 minutes. What's nice about this is it really sticks to your face, so you can do other stuff while you're waiting. But what I like to do is sit back and relax and let this cool sensation soothe me. It's super easy to remove. You take it right off. I like to let the product stay on my face and it dries right into my skin. Or if you don't like the feeling, you could easily wipe it off with a towelette or warm water. Anyway, for a little bit of self-care that goes a long way, I use these face masks. And that's my point of view.